Dear children, do you help your mother in doing household work? Let's watch this video to see how Aman is helping his mother in cooking today. Before we watch the video, let us practice some keywords. Repeat the words after the beep. Saute, churn, ingredient, grind, stir.
Wow, Ma, it's so yummy.
Yes, Aman, this chutney is liked by everyone.
Ma, the recipe for this chutney must be very difficult, isn't it?
No, not at all. It is very easy. In fact, even you can prepare it.
Me? No, it is the job of girls to cook and do the household chores.
No, Aman, you are absolutely wrong. It is not only the job of female members to cook, but all the members of the family should help in the household work. Not only this, when you return back home, you should keep your belongings at proper places.
Really? Then please tell me the recipe of this chutney so that I can try. I'm sure that Papa and Chandni will be surprised.
That's very nice.
Mom, so what ingredients do we need for the chutney?
The ingredients that we will need for this chutney are tomatoes, red chilies, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. First, saute garlic, red chilies, and tomatoes in mustard oil for 3 to 4 minutes and then turn the gas off. Aman, we should be very careful while we turn the gas stove on or off.
Oh, Ma, I know that.
Now we will allow the mixture to cool down.
Why do we have to cool the mixture?
Aman, it is not safe to use a mixer while the mixture is still hot. After the mixture cools down, we have to grind it into a fine paste.
Is that all, Ma?
No, then you have to fry the paste with a little oil, some mustard seeds, and curry leaves. Stir it well and turn the gas stove off.
That's quite simple. Is there anything else that we can cook so easily?
Yes, dear, we can also prepare gajar ka halwa, and for this, you only need carrots. First of all, clean and grate the carrots. Keep a pan of milk for boiling and add the carrots to it. Stir it and cook it well, and add some sugar and nuts. And it's ready.
Oh, that's great. I didn't knew that cooking is such fun.
Yes, Aman, and also a basic life skill which all of us should know.
Mom, from today onwards, I will help you in the kitchen also. So that I too may learn cooking.
A few days later, Aman, look, you have won the first prize. Remember the chutney you had prepared in the kids' master cook competition?
Yes, now I will tell all my friends that I too can cook. And not only me, all boys should cook.
Children, now listen to the conversation carefully.
Ma, will you teach me how to cook?
Why not, Priya? I would love to teach you.
Ma, what are we going to cook today?
Today we will cook dal and rice.
Wow, Ma, it is so easy to cook dal and rice.
Yes, Priya.
Love you, Ma.
Now, you will hear the dialogues one by one. Please repeat them after the beep.
Ma, will you teach me how to cook?
Why not, Priya? I would love to teach you.
Ma, what are we going to cook today?
Today we will cook dal and rice.
Wow, Ma, it is so easy to cook dal and rice.
Yes, Priya.
Love you, Ma.